and a young girl, and a lot of doubts have been created from day one. Munan, we have been requesting, and I am requesting to everybody on behalf of all of us, ki baba ye jata jalyar ani suspicion and donnaka. Even to the court I am appealing, please hand over this matter to the highest authority in India, because it will put everything to rest. Because today, see, there was a, now again today came in my mind, is there something suspicious? कित्याक आयज ह्या प्रोटेस्टाक आमी एक मीटिंग करपाचें आशिल्लें. Suddenly at the 11th hour, the permission has been cancelled. Why? I never understood in my last so many years of my agitation that suddenly a permission is being it is being just cancelled. For what? A state or a nation which suppresses the voices, the strength of a peaceful protest, that means there is something is wrong. Because we cannot be the bay watchers while the suppressor is being just taken for granted. So एक डाऊट घालतात सरकारांचो, हे प्रोटेस्ट पळय मागिल्ले ते परमिशन कित्याक काडायले? A state will be known for their democracy. They shouldn't have stopped this. आता केला ते बरें आसा, but what I would say is in one line, democracy